will be reported. That's Asian Paints. Numbers will be out tomorrow. Mangalam joins in with the key expectations. Mangalam.
Well, for this quarter, the numbers for Asian Paints are likely to be weak, and that is reflecting the stock price as well. It's down about 20% from the highs. The stock trading at around 52 times one-year forward earnings, one of the lowest multiples in recent times that we've seen on Asian Paints itself. And there are a couple of reasons why the quarter is likely to be weak. One, because there was elections, so a lot of labor movement across the country, and as a result of which the availability of painters wasn't there. And the second one was the strong heat wave, as a result of which, there wasn't a lot of painting jobs that happened on the exterior side and in the interior side as well, also clubbed with the lack of labor availability. Volume growth for the company will be more than the value growth, and that's largely because of the inferior product mix. And the company is now taking a 1% price hike. So to that extent, the second quarter, and more importantly, the festive season quarter, will be extremely crucial for the company to watch out for. This time around, we're expecting a flattish sort of revenue coming in close to around 9,175 crores. The EBITDA declines by about 8.5%, so that would imply a margin correction of close to around 200 basis points. And the net profit on the back of that falls by about 11%. You're looking at a number closer to 1,400 crores. Domestic decorative volume growth this time around should be between 6 to 9%. And despite the company saying that there could be double-digit volume growth momentum in the first quarter, the street is not penciling in that number yet itself. And even that, if that number were to happen, the volume value mix would keep the value growth in check itself. Double-digit volume growth is what the company is guided for this year. Gap between volume and value growth will be in the range of 5 to 6%. And at the same time, EBITDA margin guidance for the company has been 18 to 20% for this entire year. The key triggers to watch out for Asian Paints, apart from this quarter's numbers, would be demand post-elections and ahead of monsoons, outlook for the entire year, capex and competition, because if the companies have been able to take a price hike in light of impending big competition, that implies that maybe they've been able to size them up.
Thank you very much for that. We will slip into a very short break. Even LTI Mindtree will be reporting numbers tomorrow. Q4 was a subdued quarter, but the company had guided that things will pick up in Q1, and Q1 will be a